So hello and welcome to another tutorial, and this one again is going to be a short tutorial because I have created a whole HTML5 animated banner, and I have created a tutorial for that one, and in this tutorial I want to create only little animation. So if you want to watch the whole tutorial, I'm going to provide you a link in the description, yeah, right now I'm going to show you what we are going to be doing today. Very well, and I will also show you right now what is the whole banner that you can watch. Very well. So right now I'm not going to show you how to download this or how to adjust this in the Illustrator or anything like that. You can watch that in the whole long tutorial. So right now I will go to my place where I have my Illustrator file, and this file I'm going to provide you in the description, but keep in mind that you still have to attribute the author if you don't have the premium free pick version. So I'm going to drag this in here like so, and I'm just going to click import. So right now I'm going to have maybe 5 layers, or maybe 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, and I'm going to name some of them. So this one is going to be road, like so, and I will click on this road and I will click F8, or I will go to the modify and convert to symbol, and I can call this one to be road, like so. And right now, once I have this movie clip, I'm going to duplicate it with Alt, like so, and I'm going to be holding Shift and like this. There is one issue. Okay, let me delete it. I will double click in the road, and I will zoom in a little bit with mouse wheel and control. I will double click one more time, and I'm going to extend this like so. Okay, I forget to do this in Illustrator, so I have to do it right now. And basically, I will go back to my scene 1, and I did something like this because right now, if I'm going to duplicate this, I'm going to have the space in here like so. Very well, and I'm going to duplicate this few more times, so maybe 1 or 2. So I'm going to drag it like so. And if you want, you can go to the library and get it from the library, but it would be harder to align it like so. So if I want, but I do not need it, I'm going to duplicate it one more time. I'm holding Alt and I'm holding Shift to stay on the same line. Okay, something like this. Right now I can click on this green grass and I'm going to extend it like so. I'm going to hold Alt because I don't want to go in the both directions. So something like this. Very well. I will click on my tree and I'm going to click F8 and I can call this to be T1, like tree 1, and I will click on this one, F8, and this one is going to be T2, like so. And right now I can duplicate them with Alt like so, or I can go to the library and get them from the library. It is the same, like this. And I can duplicate it like so, maybe this like so, and I think that it's enough. So right now what I'm going to do is I will go back to my properties and I will very quickly change the color of my stage, of my background. So I will click on the stage and I will go maybe with some kind of blue color, like so. Yeah, this doesn't matter really. Right now, I am going to click on my car and I am going to change the name of the layer to car, and I am going to log it for a moment. And right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select everything except of the car, like so, and my car is locked, so I'm not going to select it, and I'm going to click F8, or I can go to modify, convert to symbol, and I can call this to be all in, or whatever, this name doesn't matter. And I'm going to click OK. Right now I'm going to have only two layers that contain something, layer 2, which I can call BG, background, and my card layer, and the rest is empty because there are no keyframes, there are not this black dot. So I'm going to delete them like so, and I'm going to put my card above my background layer like this. and I'm going to unlock my car. Right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend my timeline, so I will click on my car and I will go maybe to frame 200 and I will right click and I will choose insert frame or F5 like so, because I'm not going to animate it, and on the background I'm going to right click and I'm going to choose insert keyframe, or the shortcut is F6 like so, and right now on this background I'm going to with my shift and my arrows position it like so. This is a little bit slow, but yeah, what can I do? I'm going to put it like this and I will click anywhere in between. I will right click and I am going to create classic twin like so. I will hit Ctrl Enter, and right now we are going to have something like this. We could have done this also with the camera tool, but this is also the option how you can do something like this. So yeah, this is it. I'm not going to show you in this tutorial more things. If you want to know how you can export this to the Google Ads, or how you can do some stuff with Illustrator or whatever, if you want to have some more detailed explanation, you can go ahead and watch the whole long tutorial. So yeah, if you like this video, hit the like, maybe consider to subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in some next tutorial. So thank you for watching, take care, goodbye.